When you're talking about an investment in your yard, certainly buying a tree qualifies for that investment. What are some of the things you need to know to make sure you're getting your money's worth?
Well, Danny, actually, I think the most important thing to me when I'm looking for a tree is its actual structure. What the balance is of the various branches on the tree and how it looks. I want to get a fairly nice straight trunk. And I think once I've identified that, then I give it a really close look. If you come in here, there is this incredible split down here. Now, if you imagine it's going to get bigger, it's going to get more leaf growth up here, and then at some point in time it's going to get so heavy it's just going to split right down the middle.
It won't heal itself then.
No, this is really a bad way to start with a tree.
Boy, it's something here. What happened on that? Because you can actually see where the bark separated.
Yeah, you know what? I think here is it's a case of a branch that was actually pruned too close. They went beyond that collar and they cut into the wood, and it's just having a hard time healing.
Now, what about the size pots that you have for different trees? I see some big trees with small pots, vice versa. Does that really mean anything?
That's true. You know, some of that depends on the growers that the trees come from, and it's not necessarily a real indicator of whether the tree is unhealthy or not. If you get a chance, try and pull the tree out of the pot and take a look at its roots. Just make sure they're not too congested and they seem to be growing pretty nicely with a lot of nice fibrous roots.
I see.